Good morning, everyone. Today is November 22, Friday. Our daily devotion is entitled Multiplied Blessings. The Bible verse is in 1 Kings chapter 17, verse 14. This is what the Lord, the God of Israel, says. There will always be flour and olive oil left in your containers until the time when the Lord sends rain and the crops grow again. There was a terrible drought in the land, and Elijah was hungry. God told him to go to Zarephath, where a widow could give him food. Elijah obeyed, but when he got to the town, the widow told him she didn't have enough food to share with him. She only had enough flour and oil to make one small loaf of bread, and after that she and her son would die of starvation. But Elijah trusted God. He knew God had directed him to this woman, so he said, "Go ahead and make bread for you and your son, but first make a small loaf for me." God says that there will be enough flour and olive oil for you and your son to survive until this drought is over. The woman trusted Elijah because he was God's prophet. She made bread for him, and sure enough, from that moment on, her flour and oil never ran out. God, in His grace, blessed her because she served Elijah. Serving others is not always easy. You may think you're sharing your last bit of food or money or energy, but God sees you serving, and He will, through His grace, multiply your blessings so your needs are continually met. God bless us all.